Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the bottom cover, battery, optical drive or optical drive dummy, hard disk drive assembly or solid-state drive, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, modem module, top cover, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Remove the power button board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the speakers. Peel back the retention tape that secures the speaker cable to the top cover. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the speakers onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Route the speaker cable and replace the retention tape. Apply pressure to the length of the power button board ribbon cable to adhere it to the speakers.